Hey guys, EBPMAN here. Now in today's video, we're going to be taking a look at a wireless mic solution that's going to be great for Instagram, TikTok, anything that you're going to be doing with your mobile phone, but it also is going to work for your DSLRs and also on your computer. We're taking a look at the Comica VDLive10. This is a wireless lav solution that can connect via USB, it could connect via Lightning, and it can also connect via cable to your DSLR. Let's go ahead and check it out. Now the Comica VDL10 USB has a lot of flexibility when it comes to its feature set. First of all, you're looking at a dual channel 2.4 gigahertz wireless mic solution with simple and duplex modes. And also you can monitor also your audio levels in real time. You also have support for iPhone, Android, DSLR, and PC. It's a great solution for picking something up and just plugging it into a phone when you want to do TikTok, Instagram, and then also connecting it to your DSLR. A lot of flexibility there. And then you also have a 100-foot range. So again, distance, you have the flexibility of any of these devices, giving you a lot of versatility. You have a 3.5 millimeter analog connection that you can use for a DSLR, or if you'd like to connect this to a PC, you could also use the USB-C connection. Now the case itself is a rechargeable case, which means that anytime you pick up to use these mics, you're going to have a fully charged device. It has an IPS screen so you can see everything that's going on really easily. Mono and stereo switches, right? As well as volume adjustment and mute. And it has an external mic connection that's going to give you the ability to really extend the use of the lapel mic system. And it's also low latency as well. Now the VDL10 mic system comes with everything you need to use this in a variety of settings, either on a smartphone, a computer, or a DSLR. And as you can see here we have the solution inside of its charging case. We'll take a look at this in a second. You have two dead cats that you can work with. You also have a mounting system for your DSLR. You have the cable that you'll use for your DSLR, USB-C connection, USB-C converter, and then you also have a Lightning connector, which is how I prefer to use my audio solutions as opposed to getting something that's proprietary to USB-C. And then you have a great travel bag. Now the charging case is going to give you a lot of flexibility and really means that anytime you pick up these mics, they're going to be fully charged. You have in the front, you have battery indicator, what's your level. Opening, pairing, on the side you have USB-C, a reset switch, you have rubberized feet on the bottom, and when you open them up, you immediately get all of them come to life, and you're able to see your battery level with these. I'll take these out, and what you'll notice is, again, your little LEDs come up, and what the neat thing about this is that they're magnetically guided, so when I put it in place, they lock in and they won't come out. Very similar to the headphones. I really like that they implemented it that way. Now, the lapel mics have a lot of flexibility. So you notice here's your mic. You have your on and off switch here. You do have mute volume here. And then over here you have your external mic option, which gives you even more flexibility. So you can use this on the side of your maybe a belt or tuck it even lower. And then what you can do is you can snake up a lapel mic. We're not going to test with the lapel mic because one isn't included, but I wish they did include one because it would make this package even more complete. Now the receiver is very easy to read, and you can see that the receiver has each one of your channels or each one of your mics. Right now we only have one connected, so as I'm speaking to it, you can see how the levels come up. What you see is obviously an indicator of which one is A and B, if one's muted or not. You also see that little S there, which means stereo, and as I press it, it goes from stereo to mono mode. So you can go stereo, mono really easily. You see the battery level. And then on the side here, you have your out. So this out, and this out, right? So this is connected to a phone or a computer. It's going to be giving you your audio. Or here you can actually use the cable and mount this for use on the DSLR. So this makes it really simple. So imagine just grabbing your phone, plugging this in, and if you want to do a TikTok, if you want to do, let's say, an Instagram, if you want to do a a Twitter type feed, whatever it is that you want to get into social media or even Facebook, you don't have to be a social media person or an influencer to have great audio. And again, great audio means great video in most cases because people like being able to hear things, and if they don't sound good, it turns people off immediately. So what we're going to do is we're going to connect this and we're going to test this out. Now we're going to switch immediately to using this on a mobile device, and you can see here I have my Google Pixel 5 connected to the actual base, and now every audio or all the audio is going to come from the actual mic system itself, the Comica VDLive10. So what we're going to do is we're going to switch. Now, all the audio from this point forward you'll be hearing, and you'll be seeing me coming through the actual phone as opposed to coming through my DSLR. The audio quality will go ahead and basically bring the mic all the way up to the position that I would have it in here, and then we'll bring it away just to see what the audio quality is like. So let's go ahead and do a test. So the video quality of the VDLive10 as we're bringing it closer and closer, and I'm going to put it where I would normally have it. This is where I would have it. And this is what it would sound like. And again, there's some decent noise canceling, so if you're outside and you have the dead cat, you're not going to have to worry about any kind of wind. I'm going to go ahead and bring it lower and lower and lower so that you can hear how this sounds as we test this out. So again, imagine yourself using this either for your DSLR, or in this case, in the TikTok setting, Instagram setting, whatever that setting would be. This is what the audio would sound like. So guys, that wraps up our review of the Comica VDLive10. This is a ultra portable, very flexible mic solution that's going to allow you to instantly go from DSLR, computer to smartphone. It's that simple. See you in the next video. See you in the next video.